Hello, AmeriFlux. This is Tom O'Halloran. I'm a professor in the Department of Forestry and Environmental Conservation at Clemson University, and I work full-time at the Baruch Institute of Coastal Ecology and Forest Science. I'm talking to you today from USHB-1, which is the first tower that I built when I got to South Carolina. This is in the salt marsh at North Inlet. This is actually the location of the North Inlet Winyah Bay National Estuarine Research Reserve that's run by the University of South Carolina. So we work with them on operating this tower. So I'm going to introduce you to a cluster of towers that I've been building since I've been at Clemson for the last few years, and members of my lab group.
Hi, my name is Michelle Furbeck, and I'm a master's student in the O'Halloran Lab. My research is in partnership with the South Carolina Sea Grant and the North Inlet Winyah Bay National Estuarine Research Reserve using data from the Salt Marsh Eddy Covariance Tower. My research is looking at the effects of leaf coatings on salt marsh poorgrass photosynthesis and also on evaluating the contributions of soil respiration to tower measured ecosystem respiration and their abiotic controls on the marsh.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Forsyth, second-year PhD student at Clemson University. Checking in on top of USHB-2, about 120 feet, 36 meters above a mixed southern pine forest. Just a few kilometers that way, you'll see the ocean, coastal ecosystem. And for my PhD research, I'm going to be examining the differences of co-located ecosystems using eddy covariance flux methods.
Hello, my name is Lucas Clay, and I'm a PhD student in the O'Halloran Lab. And I'm located on the campus of Clemson University in beautiful upstate South Carolina. My research is focused on greenhouse gas fluxes in coastal wetlands and the differences between fluxes in impounded wetlands and natural salt marshes. And we look at the implications for greenhouse gas storage in these coastal wetlands.
Russ, are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. I was just taking a siesta in the middle of the day.
Dang it, I hate when the memory on these data loggers fails. John, minus 6.2, 5.4, 2.5, minus 6.8, minus 1.2, minus 1.2. Did you get that?
Got it!
John, what are you doing?
Russ, can you give me a hand? I'm stuck on this cactus again.
Hello friends, this is Dave Johnson, checking in from Lincoln, Nebraska, headquarters of LICOR, where we do have an eddy covariance station. And while it's not an official AmeriFlux station, it has been in operation for many, many years. And in fact, we have many eddy covariance systems running out here where we test various configurations of the instruments and how they'll operate in the field. Now unfortunately we can't be there with you this year, and so we virtually wanted to check in and say hello. Let's go say hello to some of the scientists that you're more familiar with. Come on.
Say hello, Luacon.
Hello!
To the AmeriFlux people.
No. Say hello. Why?
Just, we have to do a hello.
Oh, hello.
All right. Say hello, James.
Hey.
Jai Hung, say hello. Say hello, Israel.
Hi. Who are you? Who am I saying hello to?
To AmeriFlux.
Okay, here we are outside Lycor's engineering department. I'd like to show you what's going on behind this door, but we're doing new product development that hasn't been publicly released, so we're not going to be able to go inside there.
Oh, hey, Dave. I was just looking for you. I've got that new multiplexer ready for the soil system. It should be launching and ready to ship in a couple of months. And I should have the N2O analyzer for soil flux ready for you shortly here, too. What are you up to there?
We're making a little film for the entire AmeriFlux network.
Oh.
Yeah, oh.
See you later.
Okay, and with that, we'll see you next time.
Steve Scott, Indiana University, instrumentation guy and drone pilot.
I'm Qing Chang, a PhD student in Indiana University. I'm studying drought monitoring and forecasting.
Sierra Perez, first year PhD student in Rich Phillips' lab.
Hey there, I'm Mike Voiles. I am a technician with the lab and site manager at the tower.
Hi, I'm Michael Benson. I'm a PhD student at Indiana University.
Hi, I'm Kat Shea. I'm a master's student in the Novik lab and I handle the Bales Road Flux Tower.
Hi, I'm Kim Novik. I'm an associate professor, and this is proof that I sometimes get into the field.
And hi, I'm Sander Denham. I'm a PhD student with Kim Novik, and together we represent Morgan Monroe State Forest Flux Tower!
All right. Hey, it's Encore Desai, University of Wisconsin, and I'm here at one of my favorite places in the world, located in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan in the Upper Midwest United States. It's the Sylvania AmeriFlux Tower, USSYV, a core site of the Cheese Cluster, one of 5 towers in this cluster. And I'm here with my kids, and we're playing around with this site. This site was built by me in the year 2000, and so I have a strong affection for it. I've been working at here continuously with a few data gaps, but for the most part, a pretty long record of CO2 and H2O fluxes measured in one of the few old growth stands located in this part of the country. This site is nearly 300-plus-year-old trees of hemlock and maple. The tower itself is about 130 feet or 37 meters, pretty standard measurements of CO2, H2O fluxes. We've done a number of studies through the years on sap flux and water use in old growth trees, and decomposition in forests, the role of deer browsing in that. We've looked at a variety of other aspects of the carbon and water cycle, and if you're interested in collaborating or want to bring out an instrument, we have AC power here in a beautiful setting, and so come on out.
Hello everyone, greetings from Glees. This is Bill Massman, and this is our site, Glacier Lake's experimental ecosystem sites, and hope you enjoy your virtual tour.
Hey everyone, this is Steve Kannenberg out here with our AmeriFlux Rapid Response System Flux Tower, located in the beautiful pinyon juniper woodlands of Bears Ears National Monument in southeastern Utah. And we really ended up installing this tower for a couple purposes, but first and foremost to study a really puzzling drought-induced tree dieback event following a really severe drought around here in 2018. Now there are a couple really surprising things about this dieback. First off, is the species here. This is mostly Utah juniper that's dying back, which is really surprising because it's kind of generally considered one of the most drought-tolerant tree species we have here out in the Southwest. Second thing that's really surprising is kind of the scale of this. This is one of the plots where we see over 50% of the junipers here, which is all this dead brown stuff dying back, so over half of the plot is dead. And finally, the last really surprising thing about this is just the speed of this mortality event. Most of this mortality occurred within just a couple months after the 2018 drought, which, as far as I can tell, is pretty unprecedented. So some crazy stuff going on out here in pinyon juniper woodlands, that's for sure.
Hello from the Jornada LTER. I'm up here on our eddy covariance tower with this beautiful view of the mountains. On an amazing sunny October day, and I'm super excited to be here because it's our first day coming back since the quarantine and since the pandemic majorly broke in March. So it's been a long time coming, and I'm just doing some maintenance because the birds have made a mess and made a nest and picked at things, and so I'm just zip tying, taping, putting a few things back together, and I'm up here way at the top of our tower, right above the erga setup, and I have an amazing view.
Our story starts in 2013 when Professor Jorge Pérez Quesada and Professor Juan Armesto gets funding to install 2 eddy covariance stations. Selected place was Senda Darwin Biological Station, located 1100 kilometers south of Santiago, the capital of Chile. Senda Darwin is a private conservation site on the north of Chiloé Island and most northern frontier of Chilean Patagonia. To get there, you could get a flight to Puerto Montt, travel by car or bus 1 hour and cross using the ferry, or take 15-hour bus from Santiago. Hi there, my name is David. I'm a geophysicist and I work as a research assistant for the University of Chile. This is the view over the tower.